Hey guys, this is Boys Mavis, also known as Crypto RX. Welcome to my YouTube channel where I share crypto updates and updates on how to make money online. If this is something that you would like to learn about or know more about, kindly subscribe and turn on the notification bell so when I drop another content, you'll be first notified. So in our previous module, I showed you how to set up your Trust wallet and how to send and receive crypto using your Trust wallet. In this module, we are going to be talking about exchanges. So what is a crypto exchange? A crypto exchange works like a normal exchange that we know. On a crypto exchange, you buy and sell cryptos basically. So there are basically two types of crypto exchange, and we have the centralized and the decentralized crypto exchange. These two crypto exchange varies in different ways, but they both serve the same function, which is to what, sell or buy cryptocurrency. Examples of centralized exchange are Binance, KuCoin, Hotbit, and so on. While examples of decentralized exchange are Uniswap, Pancakeswap, and so on. Now, the main difference between a centralized and a decentralized exchange comes to the fact that on a centralized exchange, you have to upload your personal details like your address, your phone number, and some other things, which is not required on decentralized exchange before you can run a transaction. Also, government policies can easily affect a centralized exchange than a decentralized exchange. Now, another difference is that your private keys for centralized exchange that need to be in the centralized exchange, it needs to still remain in the exchange, while on a decentralized exchange, the decentralized exchange doesn't need your private keys, so another difference between a centralized and a decentralized exchange is that on a decentralized exchange you can stay anonymous. Basically, you can basically remain anonymous. You don't The exchange doesn't have to know that, oh, this is the person that is buying or this is the person that is selling or something like that. But on a centralized exchange, it's not that way. A centralized exchange also have what is called the order book, which keeps track or keeps record of all the transactions that are being run, which is not actually the same with a decentralized exchange. So the next thing I will show you is how to set up or how to buy and sell using both a centralized exchange and a decentralized exchange. And the centralized exchange we are going to be using as an example in this module is Binance, while on decentralized exchange we are going to be using in this module is Pancakeswap. Go to Pancakeswap.finance. This page should open. Then you click on connect wallet and you'll be asked which particular wallet you want to connect. Then you choose if it's Trust Wallet MetaMask. For Android users, you can also go through your Trust Wallet and click on the apps. Once you click on the apps, you go to popular and choose Pancakeswap, and you should be brought to this page. Now, to swap a coin or a token, you just click on the name there and you get a list. You could also search the name of the coin or token, or if you have the contract address, you can also put the contract address in the search box. The one on top is the one you want to swap to the one below. This is a new wallet, so the button down did not change. Usually the button down would change to swap, and once you click swap, it will ask you to confirm that you want to swap it. And once you click on confirm, the transaction would go and you would find the new coin that you swapped to in your wallet. Note that to use this you have to have Binance Smart Chain, as that is what will be charged as your gas fee.